I found this amazing video I want us to watch and learn together. This teaching is one you don't want to miss, so join me, let's watch this.
The elders say that the firewood a person gathers in their youth is what they will use to warm themselves in old age. Now, my question to you, young generation, is what kind of firewood are you gathering in this your youth? Listen to me carefully, because what I am about to tell you, many wished someone had told them. The elders say a child who refuses to hear will feel, and feeling is always more expensive than hearing. Your youth is not a playground, it is a farm. And whatever you plant in this season, you will harvest in the next. No farmer has ever planted poison and prayed for medicine. No man has ever sowed the wind and harvested peace. Some of you are gathering firewood of shame. You are lying, you are stealing, you are betraying those who trusted you with your whole chest. You are cutting corners where corners were not meant to be cut. You are selling your integrity for things that will not remember your name in 10 years. And you are smiling, you are celebrating. Some of you are gathering firewood that will burn down the shelter of your children who have not even been born yet. You are making enemies of people whose children will be the gatekeepers of your children's destiny. The elders say, when you spit at the sky, you do not insult the sky. The spit comes back and lands on your own face. Nature is the most patient creditor in existence. It does not chase you. It does not quarrel with you. It does not send you a warning letter. It simply waits. And when your time of harvest arrives, it collects everything.
Every seed.
Every deed with interest. I have watched proud men crumble. I have sat at the bedsides of those who wept not from sickness, but from regret. Men who built their lives on sand and were surprised when the rain came. Because the elders say, no matter how long the night, the morning always comes. And in the morning, everything that was hidden in darkness is seen clearly. God forgives and forgets. Humans forgive, but they do not forget. But nature does not even know the word forgiveness. Nature only knows arithmetic. What you put in comes out. Exactly. Always. So I ask you again, young ones, what firewood are you gathering? Because one day, old age will come and it will be cold. And the only warmth you will have is what you gathered when you were young and strong enough to gather it. The elders say the elder who does not speak when the house is burning has no right to mourn the ashes. I have spoken. I am not your enemy, only your mirror. Now, what firewood are you gathering?
Thank you for watching this video with me. I hope this was impactful and you learned something from this video today. See you in the next one. Bye.